Hi everyone, welcome to Life School. Today we're going to talk about how to stop letting negative thoughts control you. So let's get going. Do you ever feel like you're stuck in your head? Like your negative thoughts are in charge, controlling your mood, your confidence, and even your choices? You're not alone. But here's the thing. Your thoughts are not facts, and they don't have to control you. Today, we're exploring how to break free from letting negative thoughts run your life and reclaim your power. Let's first get an understanding of what negative thoughts are. They're thought patterns, habits your brain repeats due to fear, doubt, or experience. Some of the most common ones are: Step 1. Catch the thought. Pay attention to the moment that thought pops into your head. Don't shoo it away, just observe. Pause, notice, don't judge. Step 2. Question it. Ask yourself, is this 100% true? Would I tell this to a friend? What is the proof for and against this thought? Step 3. Replace it. You don't merely want to battle negative thoughts, you want to build positive, empowering ones. I'm not good enough becomes I'm learning and improving each day. I'll fail transforms into every setback is a setup for growth. It's not about toxic positivity, it's about realistic, encouraging reframing. Step 4. Take action anyway. Negative thoughts often paralyze us, but confidence isn't built by thinking, it's built by doing. Feel the fear, hear the doubt, but take the step. Action rewires your brain faster than anything else. Think of your mind as a muscle. The more you work it out, the stronger it becomes. Negative thoughts don't make you weak, they make you human, but you don't have to be controlled by them. With awareness, intention, and action, you can reclaim control. If this has helped you, subscribe, and share this with a person who might need it. Your mind is strong, and so are you.